So welcome friends, and let's have an installation of Python on Linux, and it's pretty simple. Just open this particular link, and it is python.org, and go to download and click on the latest version. That is here I'm selecting Python 3.7.0. click on it, and you need to download this package. So what exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to download this package in my, let's say, in my drive, where actually I'm storing all the tutorials. So here I'm going to download it. So here let's save it, and we wait for the package to download. So okay friends, once the package is downloaded, click on the package, and after verifying your package, you will have this installation window, and you just need to follow the steps. It's pretty simple. When this open, just click on continue and read everything, okay, and then press continue. So then accept the license and agreement. So here, yes, I agree, and then install. By default, okay, it will ask for password, so let me have my password. So here now it will install the software. Just wait for the Python is preparing and installing the file and running and package script. So it will take less than 1 minute. So once it is downloaded and once it is installed, we will check whether the Python is working or not from the terminal. Now as you can see, the Python is installed, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to check whether this Python is working or not. So here, just close it and just open terminal. So let me have a terminal and let me check it. Here you can see I have actually the Python that is a version of 2.7.13. What exactly I need the latest version, so you can perform this task to change it to the latest version. So Python 2.7 is basically a legacy version from that always comes as a pre-installation in Android, in Mac. So if you want to run the Python 3 cell, you just need to type here Python. Okay, so first you need to quit it from here like this, and then you can type Python 3. So as you can see, now you have a Python cell, and you can test it just performing a calculator, like you can calculate some kind of value, like let's say 3 plus 5, let's say 8. Now this is how you can install in Mac, and let me show you in Windows and Linux, and I'm going to show the steps. You can do it by yourself. So let's do it. Now let's have an installation of Python Windows. It's pretty simple. Follow this link and please select the latest Python version and just download it. And after downloading it, open the Python version, click the installation version, downloaded file, and follow the steps. And it's pretty simple. You just need to press next and it will be installed in your Windows operating system. And after doing this, my friend, just check it by opening the command prompt and type the python -dat version. It will print your version name and try to run a simple program. Let's say the print a hello world. In case of Linux, it's pretty simple. You need to open the terminal and you need to add the repository. The link has been given here and will be given you with the detailed documentation, and then open this repository by typing your password, and then use the update command and then install the Python 3.6 or 3.7, and then check the version. And after doing this, update the new installed Python 3.6 or 3.7 and run the sudo codes and just check the alternatives and test the version and try to print some value in the Python cell. So this is how you can install Python in Mac and Windows and Ubuntu. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and in the next lesson we will talk a little bit more about Python. Be with me.